Hello, my name is Adam Smith, and this is a tutorial on soft mask using Paint.net version 3.5 beta. For those of you that don't know, soft mask is a selection technique used in Photoshop to color and select a certain area. Traditionally, you could use a magic wand or even a lasso tool to kind of sorta select an area that you want, and if you have to stop somewhere, then that kind of screws up your momentum, and you can continue by adding to the selection with your lasso tool, but it just is kind of touch and go sometimes. So what we do first to imitate soft mask is go ahead and create a new layer, and we'll double click on that layer to select its properties and change its opacity to about 100. That should do it. I have red selected, and I grab my paintbrush and just start coloring the areas that I want selected. And I'm just going to do a really rough job here because this is just a tutorial. Obviously, if I went too far over, say paint out here, oops, didn't want to do that, I just select the erase tool and erase it, and touch back up whatever I didn't want. So there we have our selection that we want in this case, and then we can go ahead and select our magic wand tool and select all the colors that we just did. We can hide this layer and then selecting that background layer. Now obviously we're selecting around her face, so whatever we do in there is going to affect her face, and if we don't want that, if we want it to affect everything else, we can Control I to invert the selection, and then I'll just hit delete, and that deletes out the background. Now we have a floating head, and that's it. That's pretty much how you do a soft selection. You have a little bit more control, and I hope you find this technique useful. Thank you.